EOS1200D, which is the very elementary DSLR camera from the house of Canon. And today we are going to have a quick session on how to go back to a DSLR camera settings default. Sometimes, friends, for a DSLR beginners it becomes necessary, maybe for requirement or experiment, to change the default settings of the camera. And again, when the experiment is over, we want to come back to its default settings. But for a DSLR, it's quite difficult to find out its reset or restore option. And so, here I have tried to help you in this regard. So, after you get the camera on, go to the mode changer button and set it to M, which is manual. You can see so many options there, but leaving all those things, just press menu button. And then press the right navigation key one by one. So you can see just before the last option there is clear settings. Now press set option. Here you will get clear all camera settings. Select it and then press OK. Now select clear all custom functions and then press OK. And in this way your camera has returned to its default setting. And to the DSLR beginners, I would like to personally suggest to go to the auto mode because this is the best mode in which the camera behaves most perfectly at the hands of the beginners. Thank you. Today up to here was our session. We will meet you in our next session soon.